Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds with a D-stash of 2 in this video. 2. I have decided I'm going to do 2 in this video because I realized somebody might want both of these together. So let me move that. I am going to unbox 2 small Disney canvases. This one and this one. So you can let me know. I mean, I don't know why. I just feel like somebody's going to want both of them. So we'll do it as a package. But if you don't want both of them, that's okay with me. Just let me know that in the email. If you just want mini bouquet, that's okay with me. If you just want Cinderella, a dream, a wish come true, that's okay too. Just let me know that in the comments or in the email. All right, let's take a look. All right, the first one is this Minnie Mouse. Let's bring you down a little bit so you don't see all my junk. My junk. Okay. So here is an envelope. And I have not taken the card out. It is a bronze. If you do not want the card, let me know. I would love to keep it. "13 colors. This one has 1 AB and 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust. 4, guys. 4 fairy dust. Let me put this back in there. Okay. Here is your toolkit. Comes with the tray, baggies. There's wax in there. There's a tip and a pen. And this is preloaded with clear wax. And there's an extra clear wax in here as well. These toolkits are really nice. It will be included. This is no good. It will not transfer to you. So that won't be included. Okay. This is a Diamond Art Club round. And the canvases are really soft. And you can do just about anything for these canvases. And it's gonna be fine. Because it is poured glue. So I'm going the wrong way. You could actually go that way if you could get it to go, but okay. Look at her. Beautiful. I don't think she needs any blinging up because there's going to be plenty of bling in this canvas. The letter C, which is all in her bow, that's all going to be bling. The N is also bling. So this whole bow is going to be blinged up. And the yellow flowers will be blinged up. This is going to be a really blingy canvas. If you like bling, you're going to love it. And the glue is great. It's perforated. Listen. Perforated. It's green. It's gray. The lines do not come on. The lines do not go through. So that was a concern when they did red. It's a 13 by 17, 13 colors, and plenty of bling. Comes with the treasure quest card and the toolkit. Unless you tell me no, I will send those on. If you don't want the toolkit, I will leave it out because it does add to shipping costs because it's weight. So whatever you don't want, I will pull out. So here is our white. Let's see if we can get closer. There we go. Here is our white AB. And here is our yellow fairy dust. Here is another fairy dust right here. Our 5200, and this is very sparkly when it's on the canvas. So don't just think, oh, it's a boring 5200. No, they have a shine. They have a sparkle when they're on the canvas. Here's another fairy dust. Beautiful. Here's another one. Nice. Like I said, this is not going to need any further bling. So this is 13 colors. Let me just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All the colors. All the colors are there. All the colors are there. So can I get this back in here? So again, I don't think you're going to need extra bling on this one because it's going to be blingy. It is going to be very sparkly, very sparkly. So let me know. Do you want the toolkit? Do you want the card? Because I will add the card to my collection if you don't want it. It is a bronze. Nothing special. All right. So that is Mini Bouquet. Okay, it is all back in here. Now the next one is this beauty. As you know, this was my mom's favorite princess. 13 by 17. And I don't see a card in this one. This one has 1 AB and 3 fairy dust for a total of 13 colors. And the amount of drills on these two are exactly the same, 18,600. Same number, same toolkit. It's a twist and pick pen, it's preloaded. Clear wax. So beauty. So apparently there's no card. Oh, wait, here it is. It's a bronze. Again, if you don't want the card, I would like to keep the card because that was my mom's favorite princess. It is a bronze. But it came with the kit, so if you want it, I will send it. Okay, here she is. And this one's going to be very blinged up as well. What will be blinging up? All these here will be blinged up. What else? The down arrow. Where is the down arrow? Here. This is going to be blinged up. These will be blinged up. And the diamond. Diamond. in the top of her dress and right here will be blinged up. Again, this will be another really pretty piece once it's done. 13 by 17, good stick. The gray lines don't go through. Perforated edges. If you like Cinderella, you're gonna want this one. And here are the colors. Oh. Here's the AB. Purple. That's pretty. That's pretty. Hold on. Let's bring you down. Not a lot of those, but those are pretty. Sometimes you don't need a lot to bling it up. It'll bling. It'll just look beautiful. This is, and whoever gets this one, maybe we can do them together. I can do mine and you do yours. That would be a good idea. I love to do projects with people because we all add our own little takes, our own little bling to them. Some people don't like to do that. They like to do it, as my son says, trust the process. He doesn't like to bling anything up. I've offered to give him some bling, but he's like, no, Mom. It doesn't need bling. It doesn't need bling. So that is Cinderella, A Wish Come True. Do you like it? I like it. I think it's pretty. I can't wait to do mine. And this kind of kit, this is a lot of color blocking in here and on the outside, the perimeter of it. If you want to learn how to multi-place, this is a great canvas to learn on. And don't be afraid to try it. I was skeptical, but it helps me get through color blocking because I get bored. I'm like, all right, I'm over this color. Can we do another color? And I'll go to another part of the canvas just to stop doing color blocking. Give multi-placing a chance. If you are a confetti person and you are not a color blocking person, you really should try it. And this is a great canvas for that. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. Send me an email, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. And make me an offer for these two or one of them. If you just want one, let me know that too. I will talk to you on email. Have a great day and be kind, everybody. Be kind. Bye.